Good afternoon, everybody. Here in this video, I'm going to share with you some observations that I made in a class, particularly in class number 27 of this semester in this course. Well, as the teacher proposes to make an observation of a class, I'm going to share with you some things of some aspects that I remarked in order to uh, criticize this class. Well, I'm going to start talking about some positive aspects in this class. First of all, I can recognize that the teacher motivated the students to participate, making a reflection of the class and talking about or talking in specific how to be specifically how to be a teacher. This is very interesting because that get the students to participate, particularly turning on the camera, opening the microphone, and saying an opinion about the topic, and specific because the topic, the teacher proposed several topics for each class. Uh, Other thing is that the teacher is worried about the students that do not participate during the class. I want to say something that to clarify that these topics, these aspects that I'm remarking here, um, show us general perspective of the course, because yeah, that happens in the specific class, but this that is common in the whole classes. Other thing is that is the way used to contextualize some vocabulary, because sometimes, for example, in this part, the student talk about lecture in his presentation, and the teacher tried to contextualize and give a clear example of how to use the word. Well, some negative aspects that I remarked here is use other kind of strategies to invigorate the class. I mean, I think that it's important to not just to talk all the time, show the screen, share the screen with some things, manage the class using some slides that can support, um, well. Um, Maybe the word is not support, but I'm going to say support what the teacher is saying, because sometimes for some students it's difficult to follow the class uh, just just by listening. Some people need to see on just to take notes. It's important to have something to see. I think that can be some slides. Other thing is the way that to correct the students can sound rude. Sometimes the teacher use a way to correct the students, a word or some syntax things that can be sound rude. Other thing is the way of giving the instructions, because sometimes the teacher starts the class giving some instructions, then he continue the instructions at the middle of the class, and then at the end he make a summary of the instructions. And finally, the class material. I think that is very interesting, and the way that he used the whiteboard and some videos and some good examples to explain the things and the topics. Thanks for your time, and this is my class observation. Have a good day.